I'm going to teach you how to get banks to give you anything you need, even if you have bad credit. Listen, you're being lied to. Not a little, not a misunderstanding. I'm talking about a full system designed to keep you stuck, confused, and dependent. And the craziest part, the same banks that need your money to survive are the same ones that will turn their back on you the second you need help. So today, I'm breaking down the truth about your credit score and why you need to rethink who you trust with your money starting right now. So let's start here. Most people think if I do everything right, the system will reward me. Pay on time, keep balances low, be responsible. And listen, yeah, those things definitely matter. But here's what nobody's telling you. The system isn't built to help you. It's built to keep you paying. Because your credit score is not a reflection of your worth. It's a reflection of how profitable you are to lenders. Let that sink in for a minute. If you're not borrowing, if you're not paying interest, if you're not using their products, you're not valuable to them. But here's the part that should make you mad and really piss you off. Banks can't operate without your money. Your deposits fund their loans, your interest payments fuel their profits, and your activity keeps the system alive. But without you, they don't exist. But when you hit hard times, miss a payment, lose a job, fall behind, what do? They hit you with late fees, penalties, credit damage, account closures, no grace, no loyalty, no understanding. So let me ask you something. Why are you loyal to institutions that are not loyal to you? Make sure to comment the word loyal if you want banks or credit unions that are actually truly going to be loyal to you. We have to talk about the biggest lie of all. Your credit score determines your financial future. I've heard this a billion times. And that's only half true. Because what they don't tell you is that your credit score is a tool. It's not a life sentence. And more importantly, it's a system you can learn and control. Pay attention to that last part, control. But of course, banks don't want you to understand that, because once you understand the game, you stop being a customer and you start being a player. I'll give you the best example of all. They tell you, carry a balance to build credit. That's a complete lie. They want you paying interest. They profit when you stay confused. And all these YouTubers, all these TikTokers, all these people on Instagram are lying to you. Because as a matter of fact, you don't even need a credit card to have a good credit score. So why would you need to carry a balance and pay interest just so the banks could profit? How many of those people that have said that are actually being paid by these banks because they're selling you credit cards? Let that sink in for a minute. I've held my ground for over a decade and a half telling people you don't need to carry a balance. Because one, you're paying interest. That's the number one rule. How stupid does it even sound? I don't know about you, but I don't like giving the bank money for free if I don't have to. And people always ask the crazy question, well, how do you know, Mike? Because I look at thousands of credit reports every single week, and I can tell you exactly what's hurting your credit score and what's helping it. I'm talking thousands, not a couple here and there, thousands. Let me give you another one. They push you to monitor credit scores that don't even matter, while lenders are looking at completely different data. So you're making decisions based on incomplete information and wondering why nothing ever changes. But once you realize this, everything changes. You stop blindly trusting banks, blindly following advice, and playing defense. And you start to strategically use credit, controlling your credit profile, making moves that benefit you. Then you start asking the question, who actually benefits from this decision? Is this helping me or the actual bank? And that's exactly when the shift happens. That's when your score starts moving. That's when your approvals change. And that's when your leverage increases. I'm gonna be really blunt with you. If your bank charges you fees constantly, offers you no real support, gives you nothing in return, they don't value you. You're just a number in their system. And I'm gonna tell you right now, you need to stop treating them like they're your financial partner, because they're not, they're a business. And if you don't start treating your finances like a business, you will always be at a huge disadvantage. But here's what I want you to take away from this. Stop trusting the system blindly. Learn how credit actually works. Use banks. Don't let them use you, because at the end of the day, they need you more than you need them. I know that sounds crazy, but it's a fact, because remember, without your money, the financial institutions can't function. To understand all of this, you stop playing small. Now listen, I want you to tell me in the comments, have you been denied by your bank that you keep your money in, or approved by your bank that you keep your money in? Let me know in the comments, because I really want to know how this is truly affecting everyday hardworking Americans out there, or if you're in another country, because this doesn't just affect America, this affects every country out there. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Tanya. Tanya's credit score went up 289 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Christian's credit score went up 366 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And let's not forget about Allison. Allison's credit score went up 204 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Kenneth. Kenneth's credit score went up 282 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Arthur's credit score went up 670 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast's link is going to be in the video description and pinned at the top of the comments for anyone that needs to fix their credit. So the big question is, well, Mike, where do I go? Where do I keep my money? Who can I trust? I've been trusting credit unions for over a decade and a half now. That's who I bank with my personal credit and my business credit. Now, I do have some big banks that we use for business purposes, but that's about it. I'm not a fan of them. I'm not a fan of any of them. Last part's the most important. So I'm gonna go over a list of the top 10 credit unions that anyone can join. Because once you join a credit union and you truly understand how to use that as real leverage, you don't need crappy credit cards. You don't need Bank of America, Chase Banks. You don't need any of them, because big banks don't care about you when your credit score's down. A credit union will always have your back. So we're gonna start with Dover Federal Credit Union, Liberty Federal Credit Union, Patelco Credit Union, Apple Federal Credit Union, DCU Credit Union, NASA Federal Credit Union, Langley Federal Credit Union, NIHF Federal Credit Union, Andrews Federal Credit Union, and Navy Federal. Now, people are gonna say, you have to be in the military to join Navy Federal. No, you don't. I'm not in the military. Stop saying that lie. All you have to do is figure out a way. If you want me to tell you how to join Navy Federal and how to actually move properly with Navy Federal, drop the word Navy in the comments and I'll come back and I'll make that my next video if I get more than 100 comments. And I'll give you all the sauce that nobody ever talks about, as I usually do, for free. Now, if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here, because it's gonna show you how AI will do all the work for you, mail your letters, and it comes with the 110% money back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.